Okay, so it is unboxing day. This is gonna be a Lolita vlog. No, I'm not starting off in Lolita. I actually have to take my dogs to the vet today. Again, they always have to go to the vet for various things. So this is actually part of the moving process why I gotta take them to the vet today. So that's why I'm in regular clothes and not Lolita clothes. And let me just give you a quick lowdown on the fuckery that has been the auspicious arrival of my baby the star shine bright JSK. So, as y'all know, I ordered this, was it May? Did I order that in May? Or was it June? I want to say it was mid-May when I ordered that. So, I ordered it. And I did pay my credit card off pretty much that same month because I'm telling you, 29% of fucking almost $300 was not going to work for my life. So I did pay that off. That's not my problem. My problem was because of the ongoing pandemic situation, they were like, well, we don't know when we're shipping it to you. So fast forward to last month, and I had gotten an email from them like, okay, we figured out what we're going to do for you, John. We're going to send it to the Baby the Star Shine Bright store. And after we send it to the Baby the Star Shine Bright store in the U.S. in San Francisco, they're going to mail it to you from there. I was like, oh, yippee-ki-yay, that's beautiful. So I'm not going to be waiting 7, 8, 9,000 years for my shit to come. So it finally arrived. Now, here's where the second half of the story kicked in. As couple of you, whatever, may know, I posted on Instagram that I had gotten an email from the baby store in San Francisco on literally a week ago. It was last fucking Thursday. And they were like, we're sending this priority. It will be to you in 2 days. And I was like, oh, cool. I posted on Instagram. I was like, cool. That means this will be, she's been sniffing at this box since it arrived. I don't know what is in this box that has her so intrigued, but leave my stuff alone, child. I don't want to have to murder you. Why you playing? Why you playing? Okay. Raven Pepper. There we go. Lie back down. Fat, go get daddy. Go get daddy. Yeah, he wants to, yeah. You too, Shyla. Go get daddy. Yeah, you go do that. So good. Now she's not going to be messing with my box. But I had posted, I was like, oh, cool. It'll be here Monday. Monday came and went. And I was just like, okay, where's my shit? Tuesday came and went. And I was like, where the fuck is my shit? They said 2 days. 2 fucking days. It came today. Now, there's been a lot of hullabaloo to the reasons why mail is late. But the long and the short of it is, my same argument as to why everything in the United States is all fucking squirrely right now. Bad leadership. Or slack ass leadership. So we're just going to leave it at that and finally open my precious things who finally got to me under all this goddamn rigmarole. We're going to finally open up Wizard of Oz, my precious things. And can I say, my box, as you see, is all fucked up. It looked like they were playing kickball with this joint at the post office. Like, kick it into the mail slot. So I'm like, please don't let nothing in here be damaged, because I really don't want to have to go on a tirade of biblical proportions. Hold on, I need my scissors. And I am sorry I'm not super enthusiastic. I am feeling kind of low energy today. I don't know what my problem is. Well, it's a multi-pronged situation why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling, but what are you going to do? At least this will be hopefully the bright spot in my day, because my other thing is I'm worried I won't fit it, because I feel like I gained like 700 fucking pounds, and I don't know. I haven't exercised at all this week. I've been cleaning like a furious woman, like somebody who has issues, but hopefully it'll fit. So, my invoice from Japan to me. Wizard of Oz, 1 jumper skirt. Please be sure to confirm the contents of your package as soon as it's delivered, and contact us at babyssb.co.jp within 3 days if you have a problem or complaints about the content of your package. We look forward to your shopping at our online store again. Hold on. Thank you for shopping at our online store. We look forward to serve you again. Baby, the stars shine bright. Let me hide my address in whatever, but yeah, that's the letter. Good. You can't really see it. I think you could see Tampa, but we all know I live in Tampa, at least for now. So, I love how they wrap stuff in Japan. It is so cool. They wrap stuff so meticulously nicely. It comes with a hanger! I'm so happy! I know, little things mean the world to me. Again, I realize I have a lot of blue happening in my closet right now. I looked at my closet after I made that statement when I was talking about the last time I was talking about all the blue in my closet. There was a lot of blue in that closet. My last 3 dresses have been powder blue. Then this is powder blue. The joint my husband ordered me from in December was blue. That Bear's Date is blue. There's a lot of blue in my closet, and this is just adding to the blueness. I love it. I am scared to fucking death. I can't fit this, but we'll see what we can see in a second. So, and if I can't fit it, I am not posting this. I'll just post I got it and be sad that I can't fit it. But it is so cute. Fuck you, Glenda. I don't like Glenda the Good Witch. I have issues with her. Because, you could have gone home all along. Bitch, there was some information you could have been handing out up front, but you didn't. You were all late to the situation. You could have been gone home, but we had you be the assassin to them witches because we ain't like them witches because fuck them witches. You know, you're part of the problem too, Glenda. So, but that's a story for a different day, but I'm saying, hold on, what does this say? Haunted Forest, Witches, 1 mile. 10, it says 10 turn back if I were you. Maybe it's I'd, but the there's no apostrophe and it looks like 10. You see that? I'd turn back if I were you, but it looks like 10 turn back if I were you, unless I'm crazy, but that does look like 10 turn back if I were you. I know what they were going for. There's just no apostrophe between the I and the D, and it just makes for a weird situation. So they have this cute little Baby the Star Shine Bright B logo thing right on the front, and of course there's baby just plastered all over. I'm not gonna worry about the craftsmanship because usually stuff coming out of Japan, the craftsmanship is really nice. So I'm scared, y'all. I don't think I can fit this. I think I gained so much weight that I can't fit this, and I'm gonna be super fucking embarrassed if I can't fit this. But let me see what it's talking, and I'll return or not. So if I don't return and I'm crying, you'll know. So I'll be back though. Arr, 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 arr. Yes. Now it fits. Now, as a caveat, because I am still, while I'm no longer a double D bust, I'm a C cup. Not anybody need to know that, but it's kind of pertinent for this. I academically fit into this bust. It was some shit trying to get into this bust. But okay, so here's what I had to do to get into it. It has a side zipper. Okay, no, it's all the way up. And a hook. Basically, I hate invisible zippers, but there's this invisible zipper here, and my husband was like, there's enough room where you should be able to zip this, no problem. He's like, there's more than enough room for you to get into it. So we tried everything, and I'm just deathly afraid of getting my skin snagged, because after my surgery, after losing all this weight, I have a lot of hang down on this side. So on my sides, I have a lot of bust hangage. Like I said, my body in out, not in clothes, looks like melted chocolate ice cream. So a lot of the melted chocolate ice cream is in this area. So basically, I'm very scared of getting zippers snagged all up in this side drip stuff. But what I had to do was, after we tried to pull that zipper and I just had like a mild panic attack about it, I was like, well, let me get, he was like, let's see what we can do when you get out of it to see what's wrong. So I was like, well, let me get out of it and see what the situation is. So I looked and I zipped it most of the way up, and I could actually pull it over my head with the zipper most of the way up. So it fits, which is something I've been extremely concerned about in buying this. So I know I fit into that one Baby the Starshine Bright dress that Jamie gave me, that we basically traded 90% of my old collection for that one. But I'm not to make light or seem like I'm being like flippant, but I do kind of have weird body dysmorphia issues. They're not like big issues. They're just little things like I still in the back of my head think I'm way larger than what I am. And then having gained weight during this pandemic situation doesn't make it any easier. But sorry to digress from all of that. That's not all what y'all came here for. Let me show you what it looks like, because I looked at myself and I was like, God damn, you were so adorable. So let's flip this over a little bit. Whoop! Try not to fall, but see how cute it is. Look how cute I am. Now I definitely have to get those red glitter shoes, but I can't do anything because I don't know when the move is going to take place. So it's either the tail ass end of this month or the beginning of next month, but the move is happening. He got his contract today, but that's a story for another day. But yeah, I need to get those glitter shoes. I didn't tie the ties in the back. This is the back. I didn't tie the ties in the back because it was enough to just get in it and be grateful that I got into it. So I love it. I need to let baby know, like, I love y'all and I appreciate you intensely, because I love the Wizard of Oz, which is why I said I wanted this dress, and I love blue. Apparently blue is like a thing with me now, and I don't know, I just think I look goddamn amazing. So I'm so happy this finally came. Now if the L press situation could get here, that's like one less anxious source of mine. But I have, with all this fuckery with the mail going on, I don't even know when that's coming. I'm just praying it comes before I leave. So, but this is Wizard of Oz, My Precious Things. Of course, I have stuff on Instagram. I gotta take this tag off. Be one of those chicks that walk around with this. Yeah, I got the tag. Can I return this? I still got the tag on it. I'm not returning this. This is mine till like the end of time. So that is all I have, and this actually helped cheer me up. I was getting a little scared. I was about to be mad, depressed, like even more so than I was. But thankfully, this fits. It fits. So I'm not gonna say if it's like room. It probably is room. Yeah, it's not. I don't even think the stretchy in the back is. It's not even all the way stretched out. So there's room and stuff, but. And she is laying in my dress, the one I had on before this. She just nuzzled her little puppy head in my dress. Pets. But that is all I have, and thank you guys for your support. And I am just, I'm so elated. I'm tempted to wear this when I take them to the vet, because this is just spiffy. So I'll see y'all around at another point, okay? Later.